Hi, in this video I am going to show you how to make Naruto in Infinite Craft. First of all, we add water, then fire, followed by fire again, then an engine. Then, go to the other side, first earth, then again earth, and go to another side, first fire, then again fire. Then, go to the other side, first water, then water at lake with volcano. Then add Iceland. Then add mountain with continent. Then add Iceland. Then add steam. Then add wind. Now, you can see, Naruto has been ready. That's all the way to make Naruto in Infinite Craft. If you found this video helpful, please like it and don't forget to subscribe to this channel.